What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to Roasted Beans and Tires. Today, we are here with my favorite of my four machines. This is 2025 X3 XRC. We are going to do a little different modification to this because we are going on a little mud ride this weekend. And if you can see right now, this has the Max S tires on it. It's awesome for trails, awesome for rock, but it is horrific for mud. Cut to a video of this thing in the mud. As you can see, it sucks. So what we have decided is we have bought an extra set of wheels and an extra set of tires to put on this for when we want mud. So as you can see, we went and bought a new set of wheels and tires. These came off a stock 2025 XMR X3. They are the ITP Cryptid tires that are made for mud. They are built for what we're looking for. These are a 30-inch tire, so nothing crazy. We're not going to have to do any modifications to the ride itself. But this machine is snorkeled, so we are going to a bounty hole this week. It's not going to be super deep, so we are bringing the XMR, which obviously is lifted and on portals. We're going to do a slow creep, and then we're going to try the XRC, which is obviously turbo. We're going to put these mud tires on, and we're going to see if we can just blow through the mud at a quicker pace and see what happens. So watch us install these, see how easy it is. Roasted Beans and Tires. We're going out to Duke Center, PA this weekend. We're going out for a ride. Make sure to follow because we'll have more from that. So we're using a 19mm socket to get these off, and we are also going to use our Badlands off-road jack. As you can see, this off-road jack has more room on it, so it's going to be able to lift up different types of items like a side-by-side or whatnot, because a regular jack will not be able to do it with the springs. So if you are making the switch, make sure you pay attention because the two front tires are a little bit narrower, they're 30x9, or the back are 30x11. So make sure you pay attention on the right ones going the right spot. Pick up. So first we're just going to lightly put them on there before we actually torque them on. What size torque is it?
19, and the factory calls for 90 foot-pounds, I believe.
So with these, it calls for 90 foot-pounds of torque. So we're going to use this, and we can set it to that, and it'll be perfect. So this, we can set. We just set it to 90 pounds of torque, and you're all set, and they go right on. So once you get them on, don't torque them until it's flat on the ground. But as you can hear that click. That means it's set to 90 and that it's good and that you didn't over torque it. And now we got the front two done. Now you're just going to repeat on the back two and you're all set. Also, if you're looking for this shirt, all right, Southern Nasty Off-Road, go to southernnastyoffroad.com. They got some cool merch. Back, front, Southern Nasty Off-Road, they got some cool stuff there. Almost as cool as the Roasted Beans and Tires merch. No child labor here. He's getting paid minimum wage to be here.